is desirable that the log should not appear on the other side of the wall. First, a small location notch to get the log in position. This will be done in the normal way, although the overhang of the log can be minimal. Snap a center line on the log, then position it carefully and dog it in place so that it will not move. Bring the center line of the log below up. This can be done by using a level from the center line of the bottom log and a square from the center line of the top log, and joining these marks with a flexible straight edge. Cut off the end of the log to this line and allow the saw to score into the log below. Draw a plumb line on the end of the log, then measure the width of your dovetail on each side of this. Extend these lines up and mark the location of all three on the log below. These reference marks are very necessary and, like all layout, should be placed accurately. Determine the scribe setting and scribe the entire log. Then join the scribe lines across the end of the log. Place a level line on the side of the log. This line may be at any height you wish. The higher it is on the log, the smaller will be the dovetail, and the smaller the notch in the log below. To lower the line will have the opposite effect. From the place where the level line intersects the scribe line, mark 2 points on the lower log that are the scribe setting below this intersection point. The top log can now be removed. Join the 2 points with a straight edge and measure in the width you have selected for the small end of the dovetail, in this case 80 millimeters. The sides of the notch should be located accurately. This may be done with a level and a straight edge, or some other form of projection. Score the cut lines and cut out the receiver for the dovetail. For the dovetail portion of the notch, first cut out to the level lines. Join the 2 points across the back of the notch and measure in the small end of the dovetail. This can be done by transferring measurements from the edge or by replacing the center line and measuring out. Score and cut each side of the dovetail to these lines. The notch is now complete. This is a very useful notch, and it can be used on one or both ends of a log. It is very stable and strong if properly executed.